You nearly killed me.
Oh. Ready?
I already know for a fact what everyone's gone for on this one.
Do you know?
Everyone's done it, I know it.
Let's see if you're right.
Oh, I didn't ask if you're ready.
Too bad.
That's right. You're ready. You're now ready.
I was ready.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh, okay.
Ben! You just both fell through the floor.
Fell through the floor.
What was that? Well, I think we know what's happening here. No!
No.
Bye, Ben. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, you
I
would?
don't know how I won, I was dead as well.
I just but it charges very fast. Oh, what?
Go on, Ben, try to get it.
What just happened? See you, loser.
This thing cannot go up the curved part. Ah!
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is why
Oh,
you fell through the
cylinder.
floor.
This is my territory. Oh.
This is my territory.
I was gonna say,
Oh.
Oh, so you just gotta be in a vicinity, then you ain't gonna be looking
Okay.
at people.
Nice one, Ben.
Shit.
Oh, that's not good, is it? Do you need
friends.
saving, good sir?
We're friends. No.
Oh no! What the fuck? I will survive.
I can hold on longer than you.
No, I can.
rock, paper, scissors.
Oh my god. Oh god. It's the back in the maze bank
Everyone
building.
just goes to the middle here and press shockwave first.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Go. Boo! Oh.
Roll one.
Rule one.
The shot masters. Oh. Oh, a shock now. Oh, Ben for the win. Oh, he's good himself. No, you guys are about to get smoked now. Me and Ben are on the same wavelength.
Yeah.
You are not.
Oh.
Oh.
Why? Oh.
Golf cart. Oh.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Oh god.
Hi, Ben. Ah, you thought I was going to go forwards. You thought I was going to go forwards.
It's coming.
Oh shit! I didn't see that there. That knee landed on me. Oh my god, it's rolling. Okay, what? The fuck?
Ooh,
Yeah, but it's
You're
some-
probably dropping too many alert bars to get me. Oh. That's a bit mean. Oh, I lost my golf clubs. No. Oh, Ben to the rescue!
Uh-oh.
Let's get it, Ben!
Off of you.
No!
Off of you.
What?
Ladies first. Okay. Oh my god. Ben, are you in here?
I may have made a mistake. You'll definitely see it when you get here.
What? What?
Oh.
What just happened?
What the fuck?
I've
How
run
do
out.
you ignite him?
You press A. Go, go, go! Oh my god, the frames!
God.
Oh, he's pushing me away. Oh, the frames! Wait, Ben, are you in yet?
I'm
I'm
going
about
in.
to break your PC, bro.
Are you ready to lose your PC?
What the?
Don't shoot
Go
it.
for my 360 YY no scope.
Uh-oh.
Wait, can I?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
Go backwards.
I'll
Drive forward into it. Right,
Okay.
you drive forward a bit. There you go. Right, doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brad, we're up.
Oh, yeah.
Right, let's get out as many of these rocket boosters
Hold
as
on.
we can.
Wait, watch this. Guys, watch this. Hold on. Are you watching?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh,
Watch out!
my goodness!
Hit the car, hit the car.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
there we go.
Red, can you press ignite?
I
Don't
did.
ignite mine.
Oh god.
Oh yeah!
Right, are we ready? Oh! He took off a bit there.
Help! I'm trapped inside.
The boxing kid.
No.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Wait, we need to shoot the bombs.
Someone's
Oh,
trying to shoot the bomb.
I'm trying to scroll. There we go.
I can't.
I'm gonna shoot. Oh my god.
Pipe bomb.
I'm just dead.
I'm at 8 FPS.
Yeah.
I'm
7.
at 6. Yeah, but my PC did not like that.
It's still going.
4 FPS.
Oh.
I haven't respawned yet.
Oh my god.
I'm still in it. I'm back.
Why did you do it? Spawn zone. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, ignite.
I mine it.
Oh
the
my
raid.
god.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Where am I?
I'm
I
trying
don't know
to.
where I am.
I'm trying to jump off.
I'm stuck
I
inside.
can't see what's going on.
I don't think anything's happening.
Apparently, I've got 10 frames, which is not right.
I've got
Apparently
9.
I've
I'm jumping off. I'm jumping
I'm in
off.
the back rooms.
Oh, it's going! It's going!
Oh my god, I'm off.
I'm dead. I just died.
Oh my god, I can see it! Oh, it's just flying!
Oh, I'm gonna die. Straight path I can go. We need a ramp.
Oh, it just ran me over.
Yeah, sure.
Do you want to ignite me?
I'm in.
Oh, the frames! Oh
god!
I'm at 30 frames apparently.
I'm buried into the floor. Oh,
It's
we're going the other way.
It's lagging a bunch. I
Where
think the
am
game's
I?
breaking. I'm back.
Can someone ignite this for me?
I'll have it in a bit.
Oh, I've ignited myself.
Oh, lag.
I've gone straight through the house. You should call bomb.
I've created a
Where's that?
singularity.
Oh. Didn't know that was a
What the
thing,
fuck
that
did
one.
you say then?
But come to the racetrack.
Where?
Look.
What do you mean you created a singularity?
What? No, what? I need to put more on because it. Hold on.
Oh god. I don't think that's gonna do much.
Are you sure? I'd already accomplished it.
Okay.
Is that a singularity?
All it needs is stuff on the bottom, then helicopter.
Okay.
Wait, tell me when you're about to go.
Right, so get in obviously, just don't accelerate.
Yeah, okay.
Right, are you both ready?
Yep.
Let me lift it as high as I can get it.
I'm
Ready?
Yep.
Right, both accelerate now, go!
Oh no!
Oh, you
my
actually have
goodness! Oh, we're helicoptering! We're going! Oh no! We've crashed.
A monster truck. What's going on?
Even boat inside.
Yacht. What the fuck is happening behind me? Interesting. Please don't. Oh. Oh, you can open these ones on this.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Tacos, tacos.
Oh. 360 change. No scope. Bam. Fuck.